Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can enter the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. So next to the tab we will need the pin, and the pin is part of the box, and yeah, other ways we could use also the edge of a paperclip. Okay, and if you have the tablet like this, you will find the SD tray here on the side where the buttons are. So the power button and the volume buttons, and here is the SD tray, and yeah, with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter now the hole there at the tray, press a bit inside, and the SD tray will come out. Okay, then very easy, you put the SD card like this. So the contacts are below. And that tray you just put back like this, and it is inserted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. So thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.